I am up, and yes, it's dark. It's early. It's like 5 a.m. And I almost forgot I got my personal trainer's training session today. I'm like, crap, what time is it? I'm like, but luckily my training doesn't start until like an hour, but I almost missed it. And then last night I was talking to my boyfriend on the phone. I think I fell asleep on him. It's been a rough night. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, I think I just been so occupied with things that I needed the rest. I literally woke up and was like, what time is it? Did I miss what's going on today? I didn't know. I didn't know what today was. I didn't know what time it was. It was one of those moments, y'all. You know how it goes. Okay, I'm actually starting to feel better about these workouts that I'm doing with my trainer, Aries. I just finished and we got our 15-pound weights, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be to work with them. That's the CEO chat for today. Sometimes we're afraid to do something in our business or in our life because we have this picture in our head that it's just going to be so freaking awful. But the reality is, once we jump into it, once we actually take the first step, it's not as bad as we think. So go ahead, make that sales call, go to that networking meeting, raise your prices, whatever it is, talk to your girlfriend, your boyfriend, have that difficult conversation with your employee. Do it, because it's not always as bad as it seems. And then that's what she was telling me today as well. Always do one more. If you are like, oh, I only want to make 20 sales calls today. No, do 21. You know what's cool? The more I host workshops, oh, look at that. I had to clean. Why is that so? Oh, okay, I think that's much better. What I was saying is, the more I host workshops, the easier it becomes, because I didn't need as much prep time today. I'm ready, and I still got about an hour before showtime. And I'm just chilling, watching a little TV. I watched the newest season of American Idol. Definitely some stellar talent out there. I There was this one young lady from Clarksville, Tennessee, just outside of Nashville. She was utterly amazing. Oh my goodness, like her voice just impeccable. But yeah, I'm just chilling before workshop start time, just kind of going with the flow. All set up and ready to go for tonight. 10 minutes till start time. I'm going to actually use my headphones tonight, like my earbuds, because I don't know, sometimes what's been happening recently with my computer, it's been like going in and out from the speakers, and these headphones actually make it better. Yeah, we're gonna do it. But class is starting here shortly. Pump them shoulders. Doing Instacart deliveries today. It's been about over a month since I've done Instacart, but I needed some funds. Like, I needed money. So it's like, this is the best way to get it, and to get it into my account today. That's what we're doing. I only set like a $40 limit or something like that, because that's what I need and that's what I'm going to get. Yeah.
Have been high converting, some more than others, but let's get into it, right? So you see here, this is a screenshot from an event I did ages ago with like 1,000 comments. We're not talking about this. I'm not talking about big
Practice of spending $1,300 on a daily basis. Today, my shopping was at Venus. I got an off shoulder denim jumpsuit, a lace up denim dress, floral bodycon dress, got me a bra panty set, sleep tank, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, this is what we're doing. You have to get in the process of manifestation by activating what you truly want, because the mind doesn't know the difference between what's happening right now or what may be happening in the future. So by me spending my $1,300 every day, I actually have the $1,300 every day, and I'm doing it, Mr. Millionaire. What did you activate and order today with your money goals. This is week 4 of Rich Chick Energy. I love it here because I'm learning so much about increasing my level of prosperity and abundance with Rebecca Lynn Pope and Megan Lynn. Yes, financial advisors. You gotta be in stuff like this. Okay, February edition, day 1 of Movement for Heartbreak is complete. We had a grand time. This was the first time I decided to wear a dress and dance in my dress. And yes, I'm sweaty in the dress. It was good. We had, 6 participants. You know, when I first started doing these, I used to get dismayed by the number of people attending, but now I'm in the mindset of the people who were there are the people who were supposed to be there and share in the goodness. Sometimes we can get tripped up in the numbers and it forces us not to take action to help people with our gifts. I am so grateful. I'm so thankful. I am so blessed that I was able to share my gifts with the ladies tonight, and I know they appreciated it too.